Hi, welcome to Tong News, your quick dive into the biggest headlines from the open network. Today we got a powerhouse investor joining the Toncoin holders list and a July update packed with record-breaking moments, major upgrades, and global expansion. Tong Foundation is excited to share that Coinbase Ventures is now holding Toncoin. As one of the most recognized investors in the Web3 space, Coinbase Ventures joining the growing list of Toncoin holders is a major vote of confidence in the future of the open network. While we can't disclose the size of their position, their support speaks volumes. It's another strong sign of a belief in our mission, bringing crypto to the masses through Telegram's billions of users through real utility, real adoption, and real ownership. From early believers like Sequoia, Benchmark, and Ribbit to the latest edition, the momentum around Tong continues to build. We're just getting started. Tong July 2025 Ecosystem Update. Snoop Dogg drops $12 million in Telegram gifts. DeFi trading surges 97% to $345 million. Transaction speeds improve 10x, and Tong Wallet launches in the US. Let's dive into July's biggest wins. Snoop Dogg makes history. 996,000 gifts sold in 37 minutes. $12 million total sales, driving Stars volume from $400,000 to $2 to $2.5 million daily. Nearly 1 million unique NFTs inspired by Snoop Dogg's iconic style were gone in record time. 10x faster transactions. Operations on Tong blockchain now finalized 10 times faster, completing in 3 to 5 seconds, down from 30 plus seconds. Median swap time now nearly 0 seconds. Quasi-atomic. DeFi explosion. Monthly trading volume 345 million. That's 97% growth from June's 175 million. Top yields. Tonco up to 37% APY. Affluent up to 33% APY. StoneFi up to 15% APY. US expansion. Tong Wallet launches in the United States. Crypto.com custody adds institutional Tong support. FDUSD stablecoin goes live on Tong. Gaming momentum. NotPixel maintains top position with 5.6 thousand weekly active wallets. Doodles opened a waitlist for the Telegram game @DoodlesUp_bot, attracting nearly 100,000 users. Gaming bot Season 4 kicked off with Underground Pepe, hitting 10,000 DAU in under a week. NFT dominance continues. Daily volume averaging $1.5 million, peaking at $3.5 million. New record. Plush Pepe sells for $94.7 thousand, aka 30,000 Tong on chain. Tong consistently top 3 globally with 20 to 30% market share. Production ready infrastructure. Tok 1.0 smart contract language goes live. MyTong Wallet version 4.0 delivers transfer at messaging speed less than 100 millisecond. App push enables crypto transfers directly from Telegram chats. T-App growth. Tong loyalty program launches with almost 150,000 users, featuring Gato_bot, Mimhustle_bot, Zargates bot, Trumps_Empire VIP_bot, Dungeons of Kitsun_bot, Nutsfarm_bot. Tong Summer continues to deliver. Full update at the Tong blog. That's all for today on Tong News. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. The Tong ecosystem is only getting stronger, and you won't want to miss what's next.